for today's video ay Panda. Thank you, Panda. Ayan, guys. Hi guys, for today's video, kaliligo ko lang. Tapos dumating ang aming Panda food. Ayan. Ang dami. Thank you, Panda. Ayan guys, ang ating Panda food. Ayan. Tapos ayan, tsaka sour. And of course, and rice. Tsaka yeah.
It's popping up there.
It's okay. Ayan guys, kakain tayo. Ito para siyang yummy. Ang yapot. Oh? Tikman natin. Sour.